and we want to tell Diana and Tisa, Viva Diana, viva!
Viva!
Viva Diana, viva!
Viva!
Viva Tisa, viva!
Viva!
Tuko pamoja na Tisa.
Kupiga magoti mbele ya hawa wauaji.
Human rights defenders, citizens, grassroots movements and champions of accountability strongly condemn the escalating, coordinated and lawless campaign of intimidation leveled against the Institute for Social Accountability, TISA, its executive director, the entire team, and other Okoa Uchumi campaign members. Increasingly, we are witnessing a chilling regression towards dark era police state tactics, specifically targeting defenders of public finance, integrity, and civic space. TISA is the latest defender of democracy to come under attack. An attack we believe has been instigated by the government.
Government should be able to rebut and give evidence if they feel it's wrong. The fact that they are intimidating, using masked men, hiding the number plates of cars shows the clear intimidation and attempts to create fear and cripple people to not be able to speak. We are not a Moi regime. We are in a 2010 constitution. And unless we as the people of Kenya wake up, we are going to lose our very rights in one of the best constitutions that we have ever seen.
You saw what happened in Kisumu yesterday. Members going to worship, and they are belted. I mean, wounds are coming there, some with pangas, and they are there. The police are doing nothing. You saw what happened in Nyahururu. 2 weeks ago, we were stoned in Keumbu. I escaped injuries. My car was smashed. All the window glasses were smashed. So what that started to tell you? That we are descending slowly to a state of anarchy, and we will all lose.